was spinning a lot.
Holy fuck!
I had to put a little heat in the tires.
Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro. Yo, get out of here, bro. This shit is crazy.
And that's like rolling into it. I'm not.
Oh my
I'm not
god.
trying to make max effort because it's spinning.
Big day today for it. Big day today. Big day. Getting tuned. Getting boost controller installed. Max solenoid. Can't wait. Yo, what's up? What's up? In the 335 IS. Heading over to CD 919's house to get this custom tune loaded in. I'm gonna go ahead and get the GFB3 installed. Not sure where I'm gonna locate it, and also the max solenoid. I think we're gonna do a fuel pump upgrade as well while I'm there, and then a custom tune. So. We'll see how that thing's gonna sound afterwards. I got a couple cold packs always, some spark plugs. You never know what can happen when you're tuning, when you're testing out the tune actually. So good to always be prepared, especially if you're going far. All right, talk to y'all soon. Now we're wiring up GFB with the electronic boost control. My man Chris tuned me up. Dialed in at only 11 wastegate. Just missing a freaking piece on the GFB. All right, y'all. It's finally tuned. No more check engine light. No more half engine light. But we needed some special fittings to make the GFB boost controller work, so we can knock this thing up to about 20 psi on 93 pump, on 93 gas. So now I'm going back to Chris' house to get this thing going.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round.
Alright, it's the moment of truth. I run this thing once when it was stock turbo. Chris said he done a couple upgrades to it. Yeah, I like the tint in here, it's nice. My man Chris been putting Teron folks around here in Raleigh. Yeah. Right. He's trying to set me up. That feels good. Yeah.
You said you don't miss this cushy F-Series black. You like the raw.
I like the raw fucking. Oh yeah, I hear something. So what you think? Is this your favorite car out of the three or what?
I don't know. That's a hard question.
Yeah, I know it's the OG Speed right here. No, OG Speed is the E90 you had, but this is a
good replacement.
Yeah.
I don't miss the E90 because I have this car.
Right. You don't miss driving stick?
I do actually.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm sad about the RSX being on is that I don't have a stick.
The stick shift, yeah. Yeah, spool sounds nice, man.
Twin scroll line.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is pretty boring.
No, it's all good. This one has the bottom mount big boost kit. Is that a public knowledge? It's not public knowledge. Okay, we'll bleep that whole section out. Yeah, we got stock turbo, but no, man, this car is Everybody knows about this car. People won't even want to race this man. I mean, people don't even want to race BMWs because of what this man has done to him in this car. Yeah. I don't try to race people. They're like, hey, man. All right, well, the footage sells it. Like this red interior too, man. This is sweet. I've never seen a 340 with the red guts. First time.
Yeah, I really like this car. It's just nice.
Simple, right? Simple and ready, and it does everything.
I don't have any problems with it.
Yeah.
I literally just changed the oil. That's all the maintenance.
Right.
Never misfires. Just runs the same every time I take it out.
Like, yeah, you got the sports steering wheel too, man. I have that shitty steering wheel on my setup. I feel like I'm the only person with a 340 that has a steering wheel like that.
Yeah. It's gonna be a while.
Oh no, it's all good, man. No rush.
Drastic the sound.
Oh yeah. You got the exhaust cut off on this too. That's crazy, man. Holy shit, dude.
It's crazy how big of a difference it makes.
Yeah, man. That thing is freaking rumbling, man.
It's so bassy.
Right. There's not a lot. Well, you don't get a lot of drone when you're just cruising.
Well, I don't really ever ride with it open.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not bored.
Right. This is a full custom. What, 3-inch?
3.5.
3.5 inch. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's been a while since I've been in this beast.
It's gonna spin pretty good at first.
At first, come on now.
Well, I mean, it doesn't get sketchy. It's manageable.
Manageable, you hear that? Damn, that thing shifts gnarly. Holy shit, man. Fucking DCT clone, man.
Yeah, I wish.
Yeah. It's got to be shifting just probably about the same speed.
I don't know what the math works out to be, but it's not. Especially a wide open throttle, it doesn't shift.
You can feel that, yeah. Yeah, man. Well, if you don't know, oh, we ready, all right.
I'm gonna brake this so it doesn't spin as hard.
Jesus Christ, dude! What the? Jesus fucking Christ, dude! God damn!
I don't know why it's doing that.
What's it doing? This fire?
No, it's like cutting the throttle. I think it's spinning too hard.
Dude, that thing is fucking going nuts.
It's fairly good.
Holy shit,
It
dude!
was spinning a lot. That's
Holy fuck!
why I had to put a little heat in the tires.
Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro! Yo, get out of here, bro! This shit is crazy.
And that's like rolling into it. I'm not
Oh my
trying to make
god,
max effort because it's spinning a lot.
bro! I'm about to trade my 340M for an automatic one. Yo, damn! Holy fuck! Dude, it feels like we're in a supercar, man. Like we're in a fucking twin turbo Huracan or some shit. Man, holy shit, Chris.
I forget how fast it is until I ride it again.
Yeah, man. Well, I'll tell you what. If I send this car on the highway, I wouldn't line up against it. No way. No fucking way, man. On that one hit, what I just felt, he said it was spinning, dude. Shit, it took the soul out of my fucking body. It was like it hit that one hit. We're like, okay, I felt this, but then that bitch went to another level. Where I was like, hold on. Damn, dude. Alright. We're going lower PSI right now. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, I don't know, Chris. This bitch is fast as fuck, bro. I gotta take it away from you, bro. I'm worried about your safety now. You have to just take it home to Miami. I'll make sure that it gets driven nice. Damn, dude, this is insane, man. Wow.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, this is a monster, bro. This is a fucking monster. Appreciate that, Chris. That was a great experience, man. I think that might be the fastest car I've ever been in, y'all.
I was like, holy fuck.
Chris is humble as hell, man. This man just almost took my heart out of my fucking body.
We weren't even getting once the tires are warmed up, it goes.
Yeah. Damn, dude. And remember, this is stock turbo, right? Stock turbo making a lot of fucking power, man. So yeah, anybody trying to race my boy Chris, just keep your money in your pocket. Don't lose it. Cause my man will come at you all kinds of fast cars. I gotta go get my slow shit and go home, man. You know how it feels? Car's finally all done with the GFB installed in the dash. I mean, this fucking thing is gnarly, man.